its property is followed by the plus. So let's check it. Let's write, if the associative property is followed by the addition, that means a plus b plus c whole bracket between b and c plus a plus b whole bracket plus c, these two will give the same result. So let me take the example with some number. Then let's take three numbers. Okay, three numbers are 2, 1 and 3. 2, 1 and 3. So I have written in the same pattern. 2 plus, I have taken the bracket here first, the second number 1 and 3, and here I put the bracket between 2 and 1. Okay, so here the bracket is in the second part and here is the bracket in the first part. Okay, that means how to solve it? Using the BODMAS 1 plus 3, I'll solve 1 plus 3 first, right? It will be 4. Then 2 will be 6, right? And then it gives 6. Okay, here what I've done, I've solved this part first. It gives 6. Now bracket is given in between the 2 and 1. So what I'll solve first? 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3, right? So and then write 3 plus 3, 6. It is also giving 6. That means this portion is also, value of this portion is also 6 and this portion is also 6. That means this is the addition, right? This addition follows the what? Associative property. So this is what the associative property is. Here the bracket is given between 1 and 3, and here between the 2 and 1 is 2 and 1 is inside the bracket, and here 1 and 3 is inside the bracket. By changing the order of the bracket, operation order, first I have solved this portion, this plus first, and here in the first part plus first, but this is not changing the result, right? The result is same. That means addition follows the associative property. Okay, let's go for the subtraction. Does subtraction follows? I have already said subtraction does not follows. So let's see. As I said, subtraction does not follows. That means a minus b minus c, if I write in this pattern, this will not give the same value, right? So subtraction does not follow. Okay, let's check it. So what I'll write? 2 minus, I've taken the same number only, 2, 1, 3. So let us solve. Minus 2 minus 2, 0, right? It gives the result 0. And here 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3. What is the it will give? Minus 2. Here it is giving 0 and it is giving minus 2. Here the number are same, but the order of the operation are different, right? Here this minus is solved first inside the bracket, this one, and here this one is solved first. So order is changing. It is not. It is giving a different result. That's why associative property does not follows by the subtraction of the rational number. Okay. And the rational number I haven't given you the standard form because it makes the calculation a bit complicated. That's why. Okay. Make it easier. You just have to understand the concept only. That's why. Okay. A into B into C. Multiplication. What I said? The multiplication follows the associative property, right? That means A into B into C into C. I'm just changing the bracket, okay? Here is written bracket between A and B is inside the bracket, and here B and C is inside the bracket, but the number are same. Okay. Let's take the example. Let's just take the same number 1, 2 and 3. This is 1 into B is 2 into 3. Let's take A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. So as the bracket is different, means priority is given differently. Here bracket is surrounded by the means number surrounded by bracket means 1 and 2 surrounded by the bracket. That means 1 and 2 will be solved first, and here this plus is this into will solve first, not this one. Inside the bracket will be solved first, right? So let's solve it. 2 into 3, 6. What will you solve first? This one inside the bracket. 6 to 1, 6. See the result. Result is same result is same, right? Changing the order of the operation is not changing the result is same. That's why you can say that multiplication follows the associative property. Let's go to the division. I said division does not follow. Let's check with example. It is in the bracket, so I'll solve it first. 2 divided by 2, 1. It is inside the bracket. Let's solve this first. It gives 4. So result is different result, right? Different result. So order changing gives different result. So associative property is not followed by the division. Okay, but yes, in some examples you can see the numbers that follows the associative property, but you have to show that in every case does the associative property follows. In every case division does not follows, right? Yes, you can see some examples where the division also follows associative property, but here you need to show in every property with every cases. Okay, that's why overall we can say that division does not follows. Okay, let's go to the next property. Hope you understood the associative property. So what's the associative property? The main thing you have to understand is that there are 3 numbers. In the commutative property there are 2 numbers, right? Let's relate associative and commutative. Both are very similar. Okay, both are same, you can say same, but little bit differences there. There are 2 numbers, and here 3 numbers or more than 3 numbers. Okay, and here also we are changing the order of the operation. Means order changing does not change the result. Whatever the order you will solve the number, it will not change the result. That's why associative properties is followed by n to n plus.